I thought I had it all figured out. 109 real estate units in just 2 years, a growing sales team, and a future that looked unstoppable. But then everything crashed. Bankruptcy, sleepless nights, fear of answering the phone because I couldn't pay the bills. This is the real story of how I lost it all, found the path to true success, and why today I'm more passionate than ever about helping you do the same. And my name is Graham Norris, and I started with just 2 duplexes in a single family home back in 2003 on a double lot, no money down, and cash at closing. And then came another deal, and then another, and before long I built over 100 units. The cash flow was rolling, and I thought scaling would give me freedom. At the same time, I discovered network marketing, and I built a team that generated nearly $1 million a year in volume. I even earned 2 trips to Hawaii. On the outside, it looked like I was living the dream. Real estate deals, business growth, recognition, momentum. It felt like everything was falling into place. But then 2009 hit as everything fell apart. I lost my business, I lost the security I thought I built, and I realized something painful. I had no safety net. And here's the truth. I avoided attorneys because $200 to $300 an hour felt too expensive. I thought I was saving money, but the opposite was true. That one decision cost me everything. Remember the fear of opening bills? The stress of wondering how to provide for my family? And the shame of watching it all slip away. Those were the darkest nights of my life. But here's what I learned. Most investors and entrepreneurs don't fail because they lack hustle. They fail because they lack systems, protection, and mentorship. That's when I discovered Legal Shield, unlimited attorney access for less than $2,500 a year. If I'd known about that back in 2009, I can honestly say it might have saved me from bankruptcy. And it shifted everything for me. I realized I could combine my real estate, my business experience, and my passion for helping others into something powerful. A system that gives investors what they truly need to succeed. And that's why I created the Profit Shield Growth System. It's a plug-and-play system built for investors like me and like you who want cash flow without chaos, legal protection without the cost, and growth without guesswork. Here's how it works. It turns your marketing into immediate revenue, so growth funds itself. It automates your follow-up and lead nurturing, so you're not chained to your phone. And it gives you unlimited legal protection on every deal, every lease, every contract without surprise bills. This isn't another guru course. It's a leveraged system that helps real estate investors scale safely, profitably, and with confidence. But here's the most important part. This isn't about money, it's about freedom. Today, my passion is to help others find that same freedom, to build income that lasts, to protect their business, and to live out their true purpose. For me, that purpose includes kingdom work and missions, impacting lives far beyond my own. And I want the same for you. A business that not only supports your dreams, but fuels a legacy that outlives you. So if my story resonates with you, subscribe here on YouTube, share this video, and click the link in the description to learn more about the Profit Shield Growth System. Together, we can build wealth, protect our future, and make an eternal impact. We'll talk to you soon.